va à la dérive sur la rivière du souvenir et moi courant sur la rive jaune.
Not only the height percentage, if you see the no vintage, it's only 20% of Chardonnay. But with the Belle Époque, it's 50%. On the last launch with the Belle Époque Blanc de Blanc, it's 100% of Chardonnay. The best plot of Perrier-Jouët vineyards located in Clermont village with a very nice exposure. It's 50% of Chardonnay, and I use some Pinot Noir, but very selected Pinot Noir. They give the structure, but they don't destroy the elegancy and the fineness of the Chardonnay. It's a very specific product. I think it's like in the perfume, in the spirits for the perfume. It's the spirit for Perrier-Jouët, and it's since 60 years ago it's separate vinifications. Every year is the best dance with the Chardonnay style for Perrier-Jouët wine. And for the new millennium, you decide with the 93 harvest to create a special product for the new millennium. And with the success in 99, we decided to introduce this cuvée in the range of Perrier-Jouët. And now it's 2002, is the first vintage for this cuvée. And 2002, it's a very nice year. It's a very sunny year, but just before the harvest, you have a wind for the east, and they dehydrate the grapes and concentrate sugar and acidity. And when you have both sugar and acidity, it's a high potential for the aging. For Chardonnay wine, it's they need more time for aging with the yeast contact. And with the Chardonnay, it's more acidity than the blend with the Pinot Noir and Pinot Meunier. And 2002, it's a very specific year. And I test every 6 months all the bottles in the cellars, and I check the quality, the aging, and I launch only when the quality is here. And 1 year ago, for 2002, it's not here, and it's only this year. I choose for Blanc de Blanc the best plot, and it's very long ago with the previous cellar master. It's always a test very good, and they definitively separate the vinification for this plot. When you test a still wine, it's very nice of white floral aromas, some fresh fruit like a peach and pear, but in the same time you have a very good roundness, a very good length in the mouth, and it's very easy to understand. It's able to make a vintage with this wine. Sometimes you have a very nice white wine from Champagne when you taste the still wine, but it ages more quickly. And for this kind of Belle Époque Blanc de Blanc, it's very important to have a high potential for aging. It was 93. It's the first year for me to be cellar master, and I work 10 years with the previous cellar master to understand what is a K wine, to replicate always the same quality for Perrier-Jouët. And when Mr. Bavray is retired at the beginning of the 93, he don't make anything in the blend. And it's my first deal with to create something for the new millennium. And now it's a part of the range. It's for Belle Époque, the first vintage, it's 1964. And it's a large proportion for the Blanc de Blanc plot. It's the name is Boron-le-Roi, Boron de Midi, and it's used in the first Belle Époque blend. And today, for the first vintage, 93, I have only 100 bottles for this vintage. It's nothing if you compare. Perhaps in 100 years, it's only 5 bottles. I think it's very important to keep some bottle for the next generations to understand what is the K wine and the potential, to see the potential for the Perrier-Jouët wine to be able aging.
t'enfonce dans
When you have a Belle Époque Blanc de Blanc, it's a pure Chardonnay style. Pure elegancy, white floral, white fruit, some minerality. It's a very nice wine for the pairing with caviar, seafood. It's very easy. With Belle Époque, we have 3 grapes variety. It's more complexity, more roundness. It's a more charming wine. With the Belle Époque Rosé, you add some red wine, only 8% of red wine from Champagne, to give a salmon color, not a dark color, without red fruit aromas, always floral aromas, roses, peonies, some red fruit like strawberries, some pink grapefruit. It's not a red wine with bubbles. It's a pure elegancy, but with the tannin for the red wine, they reduce the acidity taste. And it's a more charming wine of the orange. And it's a very good wine for the dessert or for the meat like Japanese beef.
mais je reste dans